Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the cap and clearing ink. Grip the barrel near the section with a rubber grip, twist and pull firmly but controlled to avoid sudden snaps. Once done, set the nib unit facing away from you on a cloth and unscrew the blind cap. This exposes the piston mechanism. Make sure to keep small parts on a tray so nothing rolls off. You'll need a small Phillips and toothpick for sediment. Work deliberately because the Lamy 2000 uses friction fit pieces that can spring free. Once the nib and feed are loose, gently pull them straight out. You'll feel resistance from the feed's friction fit. Don't wiggle side to side. Make sure to note the orientation of the feed and nib for reassembly. Next, remove the blind cap and slowly turn the piston rod counterclockwise until it disengages. Keep the rod aligned to prevent cross-threading. Clean old ink and debris from the inside of the barrel using a cotton swab dampened with isopropyl. Repeat until clear. Keep parts to finish. Reinsert the piston rod aligned with the barrel and thread it gently until snug. Over-torquing risks stripped threads. Next, seat the feed and nib in their recorded orientation. Press straight in until the feed's flats click into place, then test with a short ink fill to confirm flow. If you see leaks or poor ink flow, make sure seals are seated, apply a thin smear of silicone grease to the piston, and inspect for micro cracks. If parts still misbehave, disassemble and verify order and orientation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.